ischemic heart disease. Today we have discussed regarding the ischemic heart disease. ठीक अच्छी तो we should be know कि what is the ischemia and how they can be occur or how they can be develop the heart disease, that is called the what, that is called the ischemic heart disease. ठीक अच्छी तो बिफोर गोइंग टू द ischemic heart disease we should be know कि in the ischemia or the in the ischemic condition what the things is going on or what should be occur. ठीक है in the ischemic condition there is an decrease supply of oxygen, then decrease supply of nutrient, then the waste material cannot be removed. ठीक है, these are the three things should be occur in the ischemic condition. ठीक है, the decrease the blood supply. ठीक है, decrease the in the ischemic condition what happen कि the blood supply to the myometrium or the myocardium, the blood supply to the myocardium that is reduces or decrease, and that can lead to the decrease the supply of the oxygen, decrease the supply of the nutrient, and the waste material cannot be removed. ठीक है, तो ultimately we can say the decrease the blood supply to the myocardium, that can causes the what, that can causes the ischemic heart disease. ठीक है, then the how and what is the causes of the ischemic heart disease. ठीक है, the main common causes is the what, the coronary artery disease. ठीक है, and other also causes, but the main causes is the what, the coronary artery disease. ठीक है, first of all we should be know कि how the coronary artery should be started, and we should be draw कि how the coronary artery disease should be there. ठीक है, ठीक है, when the left ventricle is contract, then the blood is going to the where, going to the what, to the aorta. ठीक है, here the ascending aorta is there, then the transverse aorta is there, then the descending aorta is there. ठीक है, in the ascending aorta here the coronary artery is originated. ठीक है, here the coronary artery is originated. ठीक है, in the these are the two of the coronary arteries there. One is the left side, that should be circulated to the left side of the heart, and another one is the that should be circulated to the right side of the heart. ठीक है, if there is an obstruction, if there is a blockage in the coronary artery, then the what happen, it should be supply the blood to the where, to the heart. ठीक है, if there is the blockage is there here, ठीक है, then the blood supply to the extended area should be reduces. Yes or no? So that is called the coronary artery disease. We should be draw the coronary artery here. ठीक है, तो here the coronary artery we can be largely we can be draw the coronary artery. ठीक अच्छी. Normally what happen, the blood supply to the coronary arteries normal is there. ठीक अच्छी. When there is any obstruction is there. ठीक अच्छी. When there is any obstruction is there, then the blood supply is reduces. ठीक अच्छी. तो one is there, one is called the supply, another one is the called what, another one is the called the demand. ठीक अच्छी. तो supply demand means कौन, when there is the when the myocardium needs the excessive amount of the blood. ठीक अच्छी. the main function of the myocardium is what, they have to contract, they have to help for the contraction of the heart. ठीक अच्छी. the left side of the or we can say the left ventricle, they need the more amount of the blood as comparison to the right ventricle, because they have work more, so that they have need the excessive amount of the blood, or we can say they can need the excessive amount of the oxygen, they can need the excessive amount of the nutrient for their contractibility, for their contraction. ठीक अच्छी. When there is a blockage is there, then it should be interrupted the supply. ठीक अच्छी. Demand is there, here the tissue is there, here the tissue is there, here the tissue is there. ठीक अच्छी. the tissue here is present. ठीक अच्छी. when the demand is more, ठीक अच्छी, demand more अच्छी, but here the supply is reduces. Why? because of the any obstruction. ठीक अच्छी. any obstruction is there, then the supply is reduces at this condition, that is called the angina. later we should be discuss what is the angina, what is the angina pectoris. so in that condition the patient having the chest pain, severe chest pain, these are the different types, stable angina, unstable angina is there. we should be talk to the latter, but we should be today we have discussed regarding the ischemic heart disease, how the ischemic heart disease should be occur and how they can be affected to our health or affected to our heart. ठीक अच्छी. here the blockage is there. when the mild blockage is there, at that condition the heart try to compensate. ठीक अच्छी. all over the body, first of all, if any disease should be enter to our body or any symptom, first of all the body try to compensate. the same mechanism is going on in the heart, they have to compensate. ठीक अच्छी. when the demand is more but the supply is less, they have to compensate. ठीक अच्छी. then if the blockage is more, ठीक अच्छी, if the blockage is more, ठीक अच्छी, then what happen, the demand is more, ठीक अच्छी, but the supply is reduces. हाँ कि नहीं. then if there is a more blockage is there, ठीक अच्छी, here what happen, the cell cannot be get the what, cannot be get the oxygen, cannot be get the nutrient. ठीक अच्छी. and whatever the waste material cannot be transmitted to the what, to the right side of the heart. ठीक अच्छी. the all over the things should be hamper. ठीक अच्छी. that is called the ischemic heart disease, that can be developed the ischemic heart disease. now the question is that ki why the plaque or why the blockage is there. ठीक अच्छी. तो why the blockage is there, because due to any injury. ठीक अच्छी. the due to any injury in the continuation of the artery. ठीक अच्छी. all of you know ki the artery, if we draw the here the diagram, ठीक अच्छी, the artery can be divided into three different layer. one is the what, the tunica intima, then second one is the what, the tunica media, then third one is the what, the tunica adventitia. ठीक अच्छी. तो tunica intima layer is the inner layer of the artery. Any artery having the three layer. First one is the tunica intima. Intima means called inside. ठीक अच्छी. Then second one is the what? The tunica media. Media means कौन? It is the middle layer. Then the tunica adventitia. Adventitia माने outer side layer. ठीक अच्छी. Then the when any injury to the intima layer. ठीक अच्छी. Any injury to the intima layer that should be caused by the hypertension. ठीक है. If the patient having the persistence hypertension is there, ठीक है. When the hyperlipidemia, ठीक है, is there, then the injury is there. ठीक है. After that the inflammation process is going on. ठीक है. Then the cholesterol, ठीक है, then the lipid should be deposited here. ठीक है. So when the lipids should be deposited, it can create the blockage. Yes or no? It should be create the blockage. Then the blood supply is reduces. ठीक है. That is the normal mechanism of the why the blood supply, how the blood supply should be reduces to the distal part of the coronary artery. ठीक है. It is the one of the causes of the what? The ischemic heart disease. Then these are also various other causes is there, like the ages, and the subsequently classes we have discussed ki what is the other causes, but the main causes is कौन की? The coronary artery disease. ठीक है. When the plaque, ठीक है, or the block should be small amount, that is called the what? That is called the atherosclerosis. ठीक है. In the artery there is an less amount of the blood supply, that is called the atherosclerosis. When the blockage is increases, that can be leads to the less amount of the blood supply. Yes or no? Then the patient becomes dead, or the death of the patient is there. The patient is dead. ठीक है. At that condition the patient is dead. ठीक है. तो we should be know first of all what we can study, what is the ischemic heart disease, and what is the coronary artery. ठीक है. Where the coronary artery is located, how they can be circulated the blood to the myocardium. ठीक है. Then we should be discussed regarding the coronary artery diseases. ठीक है. Thank you.